Good morning everybody. स्टैंडर्ड 8 सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस चैप्टर 1 to 5 का आज मैं आपको रिवीजन करवाऊंगी. क्वेश्चन आंसर. नंबर 1, ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम इन इंडिया. आंसर है वी पीपल गो फॉर ट्रेडिंग फ्रॉम आउट विलेज टू अदर विलेजेस and from other villages they come to our village. People go to different village, city, district or state, living there on for business or trading. Thus in India there is trading system in every state of India. The currency or run in rupee. This is called trading system. Next, attention of Indian communities abroad. आंसर आएगा सिंस एंशियंट टाइम इंडिया हैज़ फॉलन विक्टिम टू इन्वेशंस फॉर इट्स ट्रेजर्स ऑफ डायमंड्स and rupees. Foreign visitors have remarked about India's wealth and grandeur. The visitors were greatly embarrassed to find and learn about the prosperity of India. They always kept on thinking about looting away commodities from India. Next, peace-loving people of India. Since ancient time, answer आएगा since ancient time, people of India have been peace-loving. We have hardly invaded other nations on the country. We have welcomed everybody who came to India. We have treated our guests as our gods. Our civilization dictates this motto. We believe in living unitedly and cooperatively. We have never cultivated and trade towards horizons, not do we believe in partiality or caste and religion. Next, नंबर 4 है हैवी डिमांड ऑफ इंडिया कमोडिटीज़ इन यूरोप. तो आंसर है देयर वॉज अ ग्रेट डिमांड ऑफ इंडियन कॉटन क्लॉथ, सिल्क क्लॉथ, मसलिन, स्पाइसेस एक्सेट्रा इन यूरोपियन मार्केट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है स्टेट्स state that accepted the policy. Answer आएगा the policy of subsidiary alliance we accepted by states like Nizam, Mysore, Ayodhya and rulers like Gaikwad, Sindhia, Bhosle, Holkar. Next, dissatisfaction of people against the policy of annexation. After policy of subsidiary alliance, implementation of annexion policy created great upheaval in the whole nation. People were enraged against the British rule. The British anyhow repressed such movements unkindly. In this situation, the annexation policy of Dalhousie inflamed people. The facilities of railway post and telegraph and of higher education started pinching people. Conservatives thought that the British wanted to ruin their civilization and culture as a result of freedom struggle of 1857 quotes. Next question है natural calamities. Natural calamities are disasters caused by nature. Example earthquake, flood, drought, etc. Next, water is life. आंसर आएगा विदाउट वाटर लाइफ इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. वॉट इज विदाउट वाटर लाइफ पॉसिबल है? नो. विदाउट वाटर लाइफ इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. यूज फॉर ड्रिंकिंग, बाथिंग, वॉशिंग क्लोथ्स एंड यूटेंसिल्स, cooking and cleaning our house. Industry and factories also need water. We cannot imagine our life without water. Water is also useful for plant life and animal life. Without water, crops cannot grow. Without water, crops cannot grow. Plants and flowers also cannot grow. Means कोई बढ़ नहीं सकता है. Animals and birds also cannot. हम without water we not live. So also cannot live without water. Thus water is life. Next, democratic form of government. We have adopted democratic form of government in our country. Democracy means rule by the people, for the people, and of the people. Administration conducted according to people wish and the administration accountable to people. In democratic administration, people elect their representatives and send for administration for a specific period of time. Owing to democracy, people have both freedom of thought, speech, expression, and observing religion. For natural disaster, there are two kinds of disaster. Number one, owing to the internal changes at the core of the earth, earthquake, volcano eruption, tsunami take place, and number two, owing to the external changes, flood है, drought है, cyclone है, and forest fire are caused. Next question है, why were European traders सक्सेसफुल इन एस्टेब्लिशिंग देयर रूल इन इंडिया? तो आंसर आएगा द ब्रिटिश वेर द ब्रिटिश वेर एक्सपर्ट इन क्रूकनेस एंड स्टेटमैनशिप. दे टू ग्रेट एडवांटेज of dissanity and vain pride of the then kings. The British made them fight among themselves when Wellesley implemented the policy of substitution alliance. The kings thought that the British were their wishers and would protect them. In the same way, the annexation policy of Dalhousie also made the kings under their control. Moreover, the British had sophisticated arms and ammunition, therefore they could manage to establish rule in India. Next question, how did the reforms introduced by the British benefit the Indians? The answer आएगा the facilitate the British rule. The Britishers implemented some reforms which in turn prove very useful to India. They are as under. Number one, owing to modern post and telegraph system, communication become easier and people came closer. The feeling of national unity developed. Number two, with the beginning of railway, people in different areas came in contact with one another. They became aware of their problems, and the spirit of brotherhood developed among them. Next question. Why are more powers given to the central government by the Constitution of India? India is a union state in federal administration system. Two types of government are found: union government and second state government. In the constitution between both the governments, the power and functions are clearly distributed. Important functions and powers of the nation are allotted to the central government. Whichever law is formed by the central government becomes applicable to the entire nation. When there is dispute between the laws framed by the central government and state government. Next, question 4. What are the harmful effects of development activities by humans on various spheres? Answer आएगा owing to man's development, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere have to suffer the damages as following. Number 1, excessive digging for getting atomic testing on land, boring deep wells for mineral oil and digging of extremely well, these activities of man damage lithosphere alone. Number 2, impurities of villages and cities and industrial waste is dumped in water bodies and the water bodies are polluted. Marine libraries and danger owing to waste oils of ships and dirty and chemically polluted. Water from industries owing to industrial pollution, the snow on pores has started melting. It is dangerous for hydrosphere. Next, polluted air from industries, factories, power station, vehicles gets into atmosphere. The areas with heavy traffic have more degree of gases like carbon dioxide. Cutting of trees also add to the rise of carbon dioxide in atmosphere. Owing to this increases this, a great damage is done to atmosphere and human activities are adversely affected. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट आर द इंटरनल फैक्टर्स इसमें भी वाटर नेचुरल डिजास्टर. तो आंसर आएगा ओविंग टू इंटरनल डिजास्टर इन द कोर ऑफ द अर्थ डिजास्टर अर्थक्वेक वोल्केनो इरप्शन सुनामी कोस. How has the modern life in India benefited from the reforms introduced by the British for their benefits? Answer आएगा the benefit present lifestyle due to reforms made by British for their self-near islands point. नंबर 1 है Indian people could learn English and could develop and strengthen relations with other nations. Number 2, some evil customs have been abolished owing to the reforms done by the British. Today, Indian Railway has the largest network. Next number है owing to the contact with the British, Indian people have been able to make their life comfort and convenient. Giving up their narrow mindedness, they are progressing on ways of development. Next है form of school panchayat and make a list of rules to be followed in the school. Children are aware of gram panchayat as after discussing issues direction are passed for the development of a village. In school shala panchayat is formed and rules are formed for the development of school as follows. Number 1, making irregular students regular in school. Number 2, nurturing the flower plants in the school campus and water them regularly. Cleaning the playground. Cooperating teachers with students out of campus for tour, picnic or for projects. Finishing the allocated work. Number 5, helping and cooperating in the planning of celebration of national festival. Plants and tree nature in it to protect the lightest every student. Next on the given outline map of India located for trees, roads, established where with small circle with the Indians as well as the influence power in India. ये आपको मैप में बताया है जो आपको करना है. ठीक है, ये आपका क्या हो गया रिवीजन 1 to 5 चैप्टर का हो गया. ये आपको क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है और इसे लर्न भी करना है. थैंक यू.